We're back in business now. So what we have here is the Soundstream digital bass processor. This one is presently for sale. Anyone interested, they could call me at 476-1420. So we have our manual, we have our cable and our remote. Have our cord and screws. As you can see, brand new, still in plastic, never used. Right. Close up for you all to see. So we have our max bass controllers. This is our red LEDs. We have the crosshair also. We have our plastic spider. The wide controller, the sweep controller. We have our 35, 50 and 80. We have our balance inputs, our outputs. We have our dash remote where the remote and the cable is going to attach right here. And we also have our 12 volts and ground and remote controller, which is in the packet. Model number BX-10X. Feel light. I hope one day we'll get to use one of these, but right now this one is for sale. Anybody interested, you can get me at 476-1420. And this is basically it. So thank you very much for watching and have a good one. Take care. Bye.